So students, let us solve one more problem on the trigonometric identities. It's also simple problem. By doing small adjustments, we can prove that. Okay, just see. Here we need to prove that 1 plus tan A tan B whole square plus tan A minus tan B whole square is equal to, we need to show that secant square A into secant square B. So let us see how to solve it. Take LHS part and start solving that. Okay, just see. Here we took LHS. What is that? 1 plus tan A tan B whole square plus, okay, into plus tan A minus tan B to that whole square. This is what our LHS part. Now we need to solve it. How to solve? See, I am telling you. Here 1 plus tan A tan B whole square, this is one of the bracket, and tan A minus tan B whole square, this is one of the bracket. So if you observe each of the bracket, these are in the form of what? A plus B whole square or not? A plus B whole square. Here A would be 1 and B would be tan A tan B. Okay, how to expand that? Tell me. A square plus B square plus 2AB, or else you can write this 2AB as middle term also, it does not matter. Okay, so here A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly here this is in which format? So let us do the expansion for the first one. For the first bracket, you can consider 1 as A and tan A tan B as B. Now do the expansion. A square means 1 square, okay, plus B square means tan A tan B whole square, that means, okay, tan square A tan square B, okay, tan A tan B, or else if you confused, I will write whole square. Okay, this is second term, A square plus B square, plus this is 2AB, 2 into 1 into B is tan A tan B. Okay, now we expanded all the expression, first expression. Now second one, observe carefully what is the second one. Now this is tan A minus tan B whole square. Now this is in the form of what? A minus B whole square, which can be further written as, which can be expanded as what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, minus 2AB. So now how can we write this? Expand this now. What is this? Tan A. I mean A is tan A and B is tan B. Now what is A square then? Tan square A. Okay, and B is what? Plus tan square B. A square plus B square minus 2AB, no? So what is that? Minus 2 into tan A tan B, 2AB. Tan A tan B, right. Algebraic identities like A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square, they expanded the entire expression of LHS, right? Okay, anyways. Now see, this is A square, this is B square. In place of A, just I write down 1 square is 1 itself. Now tan A tan B whole square, that means we can apply this square to each and every tan and tan B. So now tan square A tan square B plus 2 into 1 into tan A into tan B, that would be 2 tan A tan B or not? Yeah. 2 tan A tan B. Now again tan square A, tan square A plus tan square B minus 2 tan A tan B, means we wrote it as it is. Okay. Now just observe here 2 tan A tan B is there, here also 2 tan A tan B is there, but with the reverse signs, here plus and here minus, so we can cancel these two. Now what is left over? Write down the remaining terms. Better we do one thing, we group the related terms together. What are related terms? here 1 plus tan square a. I am grouping these two terms, 1 plus tan square a plus. Now here next I am writing this is these are cancelled, tan square a is I wrote already. So now next what is the term left over here? Tan square b, tan square b plus tan square a, tan square b. Okay, tan square a, tan square b. Now group these two terms together and group these two terms together. Did you expect that why I am doing like that? Yes. Here we will get some common factors so that we can take common. For that reason I am grouping like this. Understood? Okay. Anyways, so do one thing. Write 1 plus tan square a as it is. Now plus here among these two between these two terms, what is the common factor? Tan square b or not? Here tan square b is there and here also tan square b is there. We can take out it. So common, we can take common tan square b. Let's take it out. Now what is left over? 1 plus tan square, tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Now how many terms are there in this expression now? Try to identify. This is one term and this is one term. In these two terms, what is the common factor? 1 plus tan square a is a common factor or not? Take it out. Take it common. So just 1 plus tan a can be taken common. Now when you take 1 plus tan square a, I forgot tan square a, not tan a. Okay. So 1 plus tan square a can be taken common. When you took 1 plus tan square a out, here 1 is left over or not? 1. And here 1 plus tan square a we took out, only tan square b is left over with the plus symbol. So tan square b. Okay. So now this is 1 plus tan square a into 1 plus tan square b. So problem is finished actually, but still we didn't get the required answer. So in order to get the required answer, again we need to use trigonometric identity. And what the trigonometric identity is, see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now send this tan square theta to another side. What happens? Secant square theta equal to 1. This minus becomes plus on going that side. That is 1 plus tan square theta. So now here wherever you are getting 1 plus tan square theta, you can replace that with secant square theta or not? Yes. So here you have 1 plus tan square a. So you can replace that with secant square a or not? Exactly. So here this is secant square a. Now this is 1 plus tan square b. So is it replaced by secant square b or not? Exactly. So secant square b, that is what the answer which we need. So we obtained RHS part and we could solve it. Okay, by using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 identity. Okay, so by just using the expansion of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formats, and then after using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 identity, we solved this problem. So these two algebraic identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 are playing main role while solving these problems. Okay. So guys, I think you would have understood this, and don't forget to put your doubts in the comment box. We will definitely answer that. So here this is the problem, and we will come up with the next somehow difficult problems in our next videos. For today, this is it.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.